Hello everybody, it's JT here. I'm back with another video. This video I will show you how you can do a pre-drill hole for the pocket. So let me show you how you can do this. So let's draw a model. Okay, let's see here. Do Alright, so let's draw this model here. So let's make another one. Let's do a pocket. Do 0.75 1. Okay. Put some radius in here. Okay, just in case you guys don't know how to modify or make a radius in the pocket or something like that, or on the corner out here. This is how you do it too. You select 4 point, right? And you go in here. You put whatever radius you want, and that's it. Okay, let's do all the way through. Something up so I can. Okay. So let's just say you have a pocket like this, right? And then you want to mill it out. There, you can use volume mill or the tool to make it pocket. But let's just say if you don't want the tool plunge into the material or zigzag or anything, you just want all the way straight down, and therefore you will do a pre-drill hole before you mill this pocket out. Let's do this. Let's say set up a tool. Okay, so that tool, and we have to get a drill in. Do this one have in 135, so you don't have to do a spot drill or anything. Okay, right. So let's just say your machine had a half in there and then a end mill in there already, right? And then you don't want the two, when you pocket this one out, you don't want the two plunge into the material. Let's say if you don't have a volume mill packet in your gibbscam, but I mean for whatever reason, and you want to do a drill a hole first, and then that tool go in there and then pocket it out. And this is how you do it. So first you put the drill down, you still drill, use the drill procedure, drill up. Okay, let's do this one 1.5. So let's do peg full out. Let's do okay. Peg 195, okay, something like that. Okay, and you drill past the depth, okay. So everything you still feel out normal, like you drill like a hole, right? But in here on the pre-mill section, you put this one, I think about 20-25% is good. And then if this one is doesn't check, then you check it and then you put some clearance on there, so it start from 10, 20,000, something like that. Okay, and then you select that. Okay, okay, so next one, you have to do two operation in one, uh, you know, how do I say it, in one off. No, not one off, but at the same time, I would say. Right. Okay, so pocket. Okay, 7,000, 50, 50. Good. Okay, and add leave for material. Let's do 1 and 2. Okay. Let's check everything else. Yep, everything else should be good. Okay, let's do it and see what it does. Okay, I think it will work. All right, let's see here. Let's render it. Okay, I think it worked. I mean, I do this sometime, not a lot of time, not many time, but one in a while I do this just so when my endmill go in there, it doesn't hurt my endmill much. I mean, technically, you can still in here you can still do like a ram or helix, but sometimes the end of the end mill, go into the material too much. It chip the corner or something like that. So this is how I usually do with, like deep pocket, through pocket, like something like this, but it's deep, and it just your end mill is gonna last longer. All right, so let's render slower so you can see the end mill it go right into that hole. Okay, all right, and make sure you choose a drill bigger than your end mill. Okay. Oop. Okay, you see, and you can see after the drill done, the end mill go directly on that hole, and then it will pocket it out. It doesn't matter where you want it. You just select the whole pocket, and then it will know where. When you do a pre-drill or pre-mill, I think it's called pre-mill. Yeah, and then therefore the next tool go in there. It know where to go to, so it doesn't start somewhere out here and plunge onto the material. And as you can see, it's gonna go out and pocket those out, right? So this is helpful. This is good when you want to keep your end meal longer, last longer, and it just it's safer. I mean, especially if you do on a hardened material 304 or 316 or 17.4, something like this. This is usually I do it. I don't just pocket by helix or plunge it or something like that. So all right, let's do another pocket, but let's do I one, this one 0.75. Let's do -1. Yeah. Let's make it a little bit out. Do 125, so there you go, something like that. But let's see, let's rotate it. So it look kind of weird. Right. Do 20. Okay. All right, let's see here. I want to put some in here too. Okay, where is it? All right, so let's just say you have a pocket, wheel that it not sit like this pocket right here on the center, just somewhere. But the same thing, you can still do the same thing. Okay. I don't create like part. Maybe I should just show you can see it. Okay, let's say if I have a pocket wheel like this, right? Set on, whatever angle, but the concept is still the same. You just select that geometry, and then it will do the same thing. So let's render it. Oh, too fast. You see, the tool is still going right in the center of that hole. That's this the purpose for this hole is just drill a hole first, and then the end mill know that where you go to, so where it go to. So right, and you can do this easy by just add another op in there. And too thin. Oof, too fast. All right, look at that, easy, right? I mean, with the real pack drill here, if your machine have through spindle or something like that, you can just go all the way through down there. You don't have to pack if you don't want to. Just make sure you do the right calculation for the speed and fit according to the tool manufacturer, so it doesn't break or something like that. But sometimes I just feel like it's just safe to pack sometime. But I mean, nowadays the tool is really good. You can just go all the way down with like this one, let's say 1 inch deep is really easy. Okay, hope you guys like it. Hope you guys learned something that you have not known already. So make sure you hit the like button, comment down there, spread the word so people see more of my channel, and then they can learn something with me here. I'll learn with you guys. If you have question or anything, make sure you put it down there and I will reply. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.